Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your Samsung Galaxy camera app is not working or launching properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to take care of that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And now go underneath where it says apps, go ahead and select that tile. And then select where it says see all apps. Select the camera app from this list, and then you want to select where it says storage and cache. Go ahead and select that. And then you might want to consider clearing the cache if that option is available. You may also want to clear the storage, which will delete all the app data, including files and settings. So make sure you have it all backed up on your Samsung Galaxy device. Select delete to confirm, and then hopefully once you restart your phone, you relaunch the app, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.